Sean, shove on.
Okay, I'm shoved.
Cooking with Mom. But it's actually Dad this time.
All right, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Mom. This time with Dad. And contrary to last episode where it was all about vegan because I've been vegan, this is not vegan.
Extreme
Flip side. This is more about just spending time with Dad because he smokes salmon and it's famous. And
you know what they say? Toughest part about smoking the salmon is rolling it.
Right. That's good for the internet crowd. They're gonna love that. So we're here to smoke some salmon today. Some father-son bonding time. What could be bad with that? You know?
I also just want to apologize. I didn't have any vertical stripes, so
right.
I may look. You know, the camera
adds
40,
50 or so pounds. Yeah. All right, well, let's get started.
I'll do it. Okay, so most of the process was started yesterday. We start with a 24-hour bath or bed, sleep in a fridge. The salmon sleep in a salt and sugar and some other secret ingredients. And then from there, they go into the fridge, 24 hours. We pull them out, rinse them, cold water. And now we're moving to the next step, my secret rub, and getting ready to put them into the smoker.
We can't tell you what the secret rub is.
Can't tell you the secret rub?
Because it's a secret.
Because it's Atlantic salmon, we got to talk to a maritimer, and you know, yeah. There we go. Now I gotta get my part of the ingredients. This one I don't mind sharing.
Well, should we really be sharing any of it?
No.
You heard Mom. She said no.
So we'll keep going.
Could you season the salmon in your own damn room, Dad? Come on!
There is one ingredient that I am not going to keep a secret from you because I'm paying tribute to a fella whose sauce, hot sauce, that I love. In fact, I use it on my smoked salmon. In fact, I almost use it on everything. And I could tell you to Dave, thank you for the sauce. I did snag this bottle from Jake.
So, how long have you been smoking salmon for?
You know, I don't know if it's 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. But, you know, years and years and years of research to finally find the right.
Did you perfect it right away?
Of course, I did change the original recipe because I did switch to my secret rub.
Right.
So, which makes a world of difference,
right.
Even from the original, which was an excellent product, but got it beat. There's another secret ingredient. This one actually you have to ingest. So
while smoking.
While smoking. There's nothing wrong with having a cold beer, especially to get the night going. But now the next step after this beer is to light up the smoker. Now the trick is also, just like the beer, the smoker has to stay cold because lox cold smoked. So Charles, thank you very much.
I mean, have you ever seen a better beer commercial? Come on!
So now we're ready to get the smoker out. So now we've positioned the smoker so that we could take this film tonight. But generally now we got her charged with the pucks. There's 20 minutes per puck. There's 4 pucks in there, so that would make 1 hour and 20 minutes. The first puck is warming up and heating up, and then it's going to prime the smoker. Once that priming is done, I'm going to get my trays, and I'm actually going to load the trays in there, and then I will leave it smoke for an indefinite amount of time. But you guys figure that out, because you'll balance it out with the remaining pucks. Which camera am I looking at now?
That one.
Okay. Well, Zadie's certainly is a popular name for grandfather in Jewish, Yiddish, and my Zadie died when he was 56 in 1964, and in 1981 we started a restaurant at Rabiner's Hotel, Nelson and I, called Zadie's. And we opened in 1981, and then we closed in 1982. But our slogan was we were famous since 1981.
Sure.
So we went for a full year, and it was an interesting experience. And so here's a bit of a tribute, though, to Zadie. Although I don't think he ever made locks.
Right.
So we
What
could
did he
even
make?
call it. We could even say if Bubby was Goldie, we could say Goldilocks.
Whoa.
But it wasn't. Her name wasn't Goldie.
Right.
It was Anne.
Right. Who I'm
So-
named after.
Right. So, but I like the Goldilocks.
Goldilocks is interesting, and Mom's name is Golda, so
Golda. That's right.
could be nice.
Yeah.
Goldilocks.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
that could be something. And
Yeah.
what was Rabiner's Hotel for people who don't know?
It was a small hotel in the Laurentians, an hour from Montreal, and used to cater primarily to seasonal, summer and winter, but very tough in the off season, very quiet, because who would go to the Laurentians other than, let's say, maybe going up for a weekend to see the foliage.
Right.
But
Lovely foliage.
beautiful foliage. And we're at the end of the roll.
So we can't use that one.
No, use it. Oh yeah, we're gonna use it all.
And Rabiner's was your mom's
Yeah, my mom's parents.
your
Yeah,
mom's parents, and their names were Anne and
Mo, Rabiner.
Anne is who I'm named after.
Correct. Yeah.
What's a great story from Rabiner's?
Oh, we used to have a panic because me and myself and all my friends, we used to work there. Generations, I can't remember how many generations we were that worked there, but all of us starting out as dishwashers, busboys, and waiters, smashing bags, meaning bellhopping, moving luggage in and out of the hotel, and always having great times. It was like we were getting paid to go to summer camp kind of thing. So
Cool.
yeah, quite an experience. Unfortunately, it was an end of an era when we sold in 1986. The place was there for 50 years, and
So it was since 36, or
yeah, just about. Started out in Ivry, and then moved to Saint Agathe.
and where did Grandma's parents come from?
Russia.
Russia? They were born in Russia?
Yeah, I believe so. We're gonna go check on the smoke just to
do
make
it.
sure she's smoking.
This is the smoke-proof Patagonia Polter Fleece, as my dad would call it. So we're just about to pull out the smoked salmon from the smoker, which I guess was salmon before, now smoked salmon. Got the smoke show salmon in there. We got all the fixins. It's delicious salmon. It's actually probably like the thing I miss the most being vegan, oddly enough. Nickname was T-Bone, but I miss this. Maybe it's like because my dad made it, you know? Maybe that's why.
Let's go. Time to check the smoke.
Oh, it's glorious. That's the old smoke show.
Yep.
The old smoke show. Oh, smells so good. Smells so good. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's my dad. The other Les on Instagram. Follow him. He's
There
fun.
you go. Yeah.
You know?
Oh yeah, I know.
He's got all the dad content for you. And how about this? If you want to try my dad's smoked salmon, share this video and send me a message on Instagram at AdamGreenberg1, and you could win this. This gold.
Well, that's even beyond sampler.
That's right. That could be yours. Have a great day.
Bye now.